Welcome to Yoga 101.
We're glad to be here.
I'm scared, Becky.
I don't mean to. We're ready, I think.
Good.
Guten Tag.
We will start with Namaste. Becky, what are you doing?
Namaste!
Namaste. You're doing like the woo, woo, not the namaste.
Oh, sorry, Miss Gutenheimer Sugar Blubber. Don't.
You pronounced it wrong. Try again.
Miss Gutenheim Blah.
It's Mrs. Guggenheim, Shuba Lava Duba.
Good, Pamela.
Yay! I get it right!
You get the check blues.
Yay!
Now do the tree.
That's easy.
Show off.
Becky, what are you doing?
I'm having trouble balancing. Oops, sorry.
Help! Help me!
What are you hooligans doing?
There was an earthquake!
Nothing.
Good, there should be nothing, Becky, because one more strike and you are out of here.
Yes, Miss Gutenheimer Shabba Ding Dong.
Ding dong.
Yes, Ding Dong.
Yes, see, she remembers my maiden name. Now you two will do the downward dog.
I love that one.
That was easy, I think.
Speed it up.
Oh.
All the way down.
Becky, where are your hands?
I can't reach.
What? How are your knees?
Yeah, keep up.
I can't do it. I thought this was a nice class. I thought it was supposed to be relaxing street.
Put your butt into the sky.
Ah!
Oh, she's
Pamela, get the
distracting
back down. You will do it, Becky.
She's distracting me. Don't. That's what you are. I said it.
I don't like my teammate here. She's not very nice. She keeps calling me names.
Pamela, you will go on to the advanced group. And unless Becky gets the cobra right, then she won't be able to go on up
But she
into
never
the next level.
Alright,
Good luck.
I'll try.
Get ready, Becky.
All right, do the cobra now.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. I'm not.
Maybe you should give her one last. Excuse me. Maybe you should give her one last.
Yeah,
try.
Miss Gutenheimer Shabba Ding Dong.
Yes.
You will need to make up extra credit
Okay,
to pass.
I'm ready.
Whoa.
Do the pretzel.
The
pretzel.
That should be fun. Is this for extra credit?
Yes, it is.
Oh!
Becky, what are you attempting to do?
Oh.
What are you laughing
Don't
at?
get me kicked out of the
Earthquake!
again.
What?
Earthquake!
Oh, somebody's phone is ringing. Just kidding.
Oh.
Pamela, no phone ringing in class.
Oh no.
I'm trying to do it, Pretzel. Stop trying to
Don't distract you.
distract me.
Oh no.
I did it.
Becky, that is your phone. Go turn it off.
It is. I'll get it.
Hooray! Anyway, Miss Gutenheimer Shabba Ding Dong. Do you like it?
Do I like what?
My pretzel. Is it right?
That was Becky's cell phone.
Sure. It's okay. Pamela, you get extra cred.
Alright!
Oh, shut up!
She hurt me!
Becky, why are you harassing the new exchange student?
See, I told you it was your accent.
Oh.
Woo! Cat fight!
Back into Namaste!
Ah. Ah.
I said Namaste.
Oh, okay. Are you gonna do it right this time?
You're loco.
You're loco.
You're loco.
You're loco.
Loco!
Girls, shut up! Shut up!
Loco!
Loco.
Loco! 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 Loco!
Loco. 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 Loco.